Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nailer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this adorable pretty in pink flower nail design, which is perfect for the summertime and perfect for beginners, so let's get into it. To start off, I'm going to go in with a base coat. And now I'm just going to go in with my base color, which is a really light baby pink. And now because this polish is a little bit sheer, I'm just going to go in with a second coat. Now don't fear if you got any nail polish on your skin. This is a very easy fix to make it look very professional. All you do is dip a tiny brush in acetone and then you can just clean the nail polish up very easily from around your nail. And now to start the actual design, I'm taking a tiny little detail brush and then I'm just placing the first petal of wherever I want the flower on the nail, and then I find it very easy if I just build off of that first petal, so I'll just go from there. As you can see, I did about 5 to 6 petals per flower, and then I did it on a different spot on each nail to kind of add some contrast. And now I just want to say, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and don't be afraid if the flower petals don't look 100% smooth. Mine don't look 100% smooth. It's just what happens with air dry nail polish. It just starts to dry a little bit while you're using it, especially if you're using it for a prolonged amount of time for a design like this where you're doing multiple flowers. But that's alright. Once you add the top coat, it will all smooth out. And now to finish up the design, I'm going to take a dotting tool and yellow nail polish, and I'm just going to add a yellow center to each of the flowers to make them look like daisies. And now to seal that all in and make the design look professional, I'm going to be adding a quick dry top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.